maybe about a kilometre, and I'm heading to the tip on that side. Hiked about half an hour over a whole stack of sand dunes, and just up ahead is the lake, so I'm getting closer to it. Okay, that looks like as close as I can get to the lake. I'm, I don't know, about 20-30 metres from the water's edge, and then there's those reeds growing just in front there, but as you can see it's just a lot of trees at the water's edge here, so unless there's an opening further down, I might launch the drone here and check out where we are.